I'm still in shock by how cold it was. Oh, shit. Well, not shit, but cold. Really cold. But it was definitely worth it. It always is. But I haven't been training the ocean for, a few months. I've been training cold showers instead. That helped me a little bit, but wow, that was really cold.
Jeg synes, du er så alle krammene stisser på. Skål! Skål! Tak med det.
Tired and a little broken lip from the cold, but today it's definitely spring is here, I would say. Look at this. It's just beautiful. If I could say one positive thing of all this lockdown and all this bullshit that's been going on in the world for a few years now, it's definitely that I spend much more time in nature than I ever have on a regular basis. That definitely connected me to a new part of me and a new grounding. Not a new maybe actually just a really old one. Part of me that I kind of forgot in the process of being busy and working so hard, that now I just feel so much more connected to the world that I'm living in and the freedoms that I have, which is actually also walking here on a beach like this.
I am Don Juan de Marco. Have you never met a woman who inspires you to love until your every sense is filled with her?